What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Guys, I'm back with another video, and today, from the title you see, I am going to introduce you to Usain Bolt's new girlfriend. Alright, so before we get into the video, remember to like and share, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Guys, from day to day, the new trend is the new game where every man a go crazy over. Almost every YouTuber me see is either the husband or the boyfriend or the guy show off them PS5 where them girl or them wife get for them, or it is the ladies showing that they got a PS5 for their man. And we know the excitement and how them behave when they get their hand on one of them. So guess what? The sprint legend Usain Bolt get for him PS5 too, and him behave just like all of them, just like how all of the typical man them behave when they get them PS5. Boy, Bolt couldn't contain the excitement, and he all refer to the game as him new girl. Yes, him say, yes people, it there, you know what time it is now. May I tell you, say, the man was so gentle and attentive to a new girl, brother. He make sure, say, she was strapped down safely in the front seat. So you know, say, it's safety first. He said, yes, baby, don't worry yourself. I'll take good care of you. I'll get you home safe. Having way too much fun, he thanked his friend and manager NJ for getting him the game and prayed that Casey will not be jealous. Him say, big up NJ for me new girl. Casey, don't be jealous. Yes, boy, you saying, we are all happy for you. Yes, brother. Me can't say me know the feelings because me don't have one. But based on how me see other people behave, me know say you over the moon right now. So go and take care of her. But no neglect Casey, no. And no neglect Casey too much so that she have to go get jealous over your new girl. And big up and have fun.